Hello, my treasure hunters. Well, I got the call I've been waiting for. The jeweler called, said they got the back off of the pocket watch. So I'm gonna put my tortoise away, throw some shoes on, head over there, and go check this thing out. All right, I'm so excited, so excited. Cost me a bit of money, but I think absolutely worth it. So, all right. Won't be doing any filming inside, unfortunately, but I will definitely be showing y'all when I get home. All right, well, just pulled up at the jeweler. Let's get inside and see what this thing looks like. All right, well, I'm back home. I got it. Let's unbox it. Let me get you set up in the tripod so I can use two hands to do this. They did not put it back together. I told them not to. But they went above and beyond. And from what I understand, it is completely restorable. And they asked me if I wanted to do that. I said no. I'm never going to use it. Just going to display it. So let me get you set up in the tripod. We'll open it up. All right. Well, if you're in the 310 area, Clayton Jewelers. You need anything watch related, pocket watch related, jewelry related, take it to them. They're incredible, absolutely incredible. And I saw the pocket watch up close and honestly did not think it was even possible to get this thing apart. And they did it flawlessly. So let's unbox this together. Take these out. I was shaking at the jewelry store when they showed it to me. Okay. They did a fantastic job packing it up. So here's the front glass and bezel. And here we go. I've already run the serial numbers through the database. I have all that info. And there you go. Completely engraved. 100% fully engraved Waltham 1901 pocket watch. Incredible. Try and keep the shadow and the shine off, but you could see the engraving. Let's flip it over carefully. Incredible. I'm just shaking looking at it. This is incredible. Absolutely beautiful. Now every bit of this pocket watch was handmade. Even the screws, the tiny little screws were all handmade. Everything was hand engraved. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So I have some information from the database. This is a model 1883. Production year of this one was 1901. So it's 122 years old and probably a few months. They made 4,000 of these. This is number 803 in the production run. It is size 18, which is a railroad model. And it is 15 jewel. And they couldn't really tell me what kind of jewels they were, but they're suspecting that they're ruby. So, I am just absolutely, I mean, what was it? 3 weeks since I found it? They had it 3 weeks. So, they said it could be completely restored if I wanted to and functional. I said no. And I am just going to put this back the way it was until later on tonight, so I can show my wife and my mother-in-law the insides. And yeah, my goodness, so let me know, y'all saw the display I made for it. Should I buy an antique pocket watch chain to go with this in the display just for display purposes, or just display it as is? I think the chain would kind of complete the piece and it would look really cool, kind of wrapped around and draped over the bottom. But let me know in the comments. So there you have it. This is the pocket watch I found. 1901 Waltham Railroad 15 jewel pocket watch. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. And the face is amazing. They didn't even move the numbers. The wind stopped at 10:56. So incredible. They had fun with it. They said that was one of the most challenging things they've ever had, and one of the funnest things they've ever had. And if you see me wiggle it, look, the balance wheel still turns. That's incredible. This is when people took pride in what they did. Oh my goodness, I'm looking down at the gears and everything. All the gears are engraved. Let me see if I can get you a better look at it, maybe in the shade. Everything is engraved on the inside. Engraved Waltham in there. Wow. I'm sorry, I'm still shaking. Look at that engraving. Absolutely beautiful. Even down in the gears in there is engraved. Oh my goodness. I am absolutely shocked. Finding America on his video this morning found a bunch of pieces of pocket watches. He found the outer bezel, he found the inner plate where all the gears mount to and stuff. And that's generally what I find too. I find pieces. That's what everyone finds. I never thought I would find an intact, almost perfect pocket watch. Incredible. All right, everybody. Hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe. I mean, you got to remember, I'm in the middle of Los Angeles, where it's 95% concrete and asphalt, so I got to be very innovative where I dig. I have to do research and figure out what was what, where it was, and if I can even dig there. I mean, it's very hard to find places to dig around here, especially places with this much history that yield these kinds of finds. And y'all saw last week, or on the last video, I found the Cub Scout belt buckle. I researched it. It's mid 50s to mid 60s. So even that's cool. So I kept it. It's in my collection. But this, along with my 1887 Towers handcuffs, are my prides and joy of my collection. Oh my God. Okay. I think I need to sit down and collect myself and calm down, because I am freaking still shaking. It's absolutely beautiful. Get out there. Get that coil swinging. Find that treasure. You never know. It could be something that good. Happy hunting.